little bird with a broken wing, sitting on the fence post doing nothing, feeling sad and mighty low. You ain't got nowhere to go. You ain't got nowhere to go. All little birdies doing their thing, flying and making us sing. What do you do with a broken wing? Try to scream, but you learn to say. Sing to the south and sing to the west. Sing to the robin with a painted chest. Sing to the flowers and sing to the trees. Now you got somewhere to be. All little birdies singing along to the bird with the broken wings morning song. Now you got somewhere to go. Sitting on a fence post putting on a show. Just because you can't fly, ain't no reason for an alibi. There's still room to spread the wings. May not soar, but you can't sing. Sing to the south and sing to the west. Sing to the robin with a painted chest. Sing to the flowers and sing